Hey guys, today we got a new fiberglass Century Ultra Series. Fits the 2017 to 22 Ford Super Duties, the F250, 350, 450s. This is a brand new unit, so there's nothing wrong with it. Go look at it. It's a Century model. It's like it is UX silver. This is ingot silver. Looks good. Has some. We just washed it, so it's got some water spots on it. But it's a good looking unit. So there's really nothing wrong with it, like I said, because it's brand new. It was just misordered. Give you an opportunity to get a brand new cap right away instead of having to wait on it. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. Sort of the 8-foot bed on the Super Duty. Top edge and the top looks good because they're all, like I said, it's new, so. Picture window. It's never even been taken off the rails yet. Century Ultra is a framed rear window cap. It has sliding windows on the side with screens. Kind of middle of the road on the styles. Half side slider on this side as well. Kind of the middle of the road design. Double T handle, locking rear door. Third brake light. There it is. It's Ultra. There's the build tag on it. It's 80 FS 17, so it's 8-foot bed, 17 to 22 F250, 350 Super Duties. It actually works on the 450s, but they got kind of a weird bed. It just makes it a little bit short, but it works fine. Carpeted interior was optioned on this one here. Screens are in good shape, well, because they're new. All carpeted inside. There we go. Screens on this side. It's got the fuse box there. Serial number. Oh, there's the fuse box. I don't know if it showed up well. Otherwise, I think I was looking into the sun. Door skirt on it. Double T handle. There it is. Cab High Ultra Series. That's a 2017 to 2022 Ford F250, 350 Super Duties. UX ingot silver was the color on this. It's the 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online from our site as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for something to come in for your truck, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So you'll want to subscribe below to keep up to date on what's coming in. As with all our truck caps, we do not ship these. They're local pickup only. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.